Hey there guys, it's Chief JC here of Circle JC Maracab Shop. Guys, check this out. Itong ating XTCP by APS brand. Unboxing tayo, ang ganda ng lagayan nyo. Nice, ang ganda nitong XTP pistol natin guys. What comes in the box guys, itong ating unit, manual, XTP magwell, green gas magazine, base pad. Nice. Naka fiber optic sights. Ang ganda guys ng design niya, logo ng US flag yan. Quality guys ang ating lower receiver. Lightning cut sa upper receiver, full metal slide. Ang ganda guys ng kanyang mag catch, oh. Hindi basta-basta mapipindot yan. Naka straight trigger pa siya. Wow! Guys, ang ganda nito. Pagdating ng magazine, naka-base pad pa, out of the box, quality. Ang ganda po nito, pang practical shooting. Woo! Alright guys, bago tayo mag-test fire, lagay tayo ng bala. For BBs guys, gamit tayo ng exact brand BBs. Available lang yan dito sa Circle JC Maracab Shop. Autoloader natin guys. Ilahin lamang po ang follower like so. Lagay ng bala. Pull down the spring. Remove the lid cover. Of course guys, gamit lamang po tayo ng quality green gas natin. Top gas 12 kg by Ultra Force. Shake, 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 shake. 1 to 3 seconds, okay na. Return the cover para pogi. Alright, ready na tayo. Lock and loaded baby. Alright, 351, 342. Out of the box guys, ang ating pong XTCP shoots 300 to 350 FPS. Pag wala ng bala guys, open bolt. Release natin ang magazine. Slide catch release. Clear. Quality guys, nitong XTCP pistol talaga, oh. Grabe to, ang ganda pang practical shooting. Again guys, this is our XTCP or Extreme Training Combat Pistol by APS brand. Available only here at Circle JC Maracab Shop. Go and be a blessing. Goodbye guys.